chose yung grade 12 students. And I was just in Dubai talking to grade 12 and grade 11 students. And while I was there, medyo na-late kami ng punta actually. Kasi itong mga grade 12 students, alam na nila ngayon kung saan sila mag-aaral, ano yung course na kukunin nila, no? However, when I came and I started presenting about study abroad, the opportunities and all that, medyo naguluhan sila. Na-disrupt ko yata yung kanilang mga decisions in life. You know why? Kasi my goal as your consultant, it's not to just send you abroad. It's not just for us agencies na mukha lang yan silang pera. Nagre-recruit lang sila just because gusto nilang kumita ng pera. We care for your future. We care about your success. We care yung sa ano mo, kung saan ka magta-thrive. Now, I'm talking to you grade 12 students kasi kadalasan yung mga sagot nyo, kadalasan yung sagot ng mga nakausap ko, very, yung mga jobs na napili nila, parang hindi na mag-exist in the next 5 to 10 years. And how I wish someone talked to me when I was just starting college. Kasi right now, the employers and industries are looking for skill-based jobs or skilled, equipped employees.
And also to add lang din, Miss Kat, dun sa options natin for grade 12, no? Kasi yun nga, yung mga fresh grad kasi natin ngayon, they're really aiming for upgrade sa education nila. So they can also upgrade through diploma programs by being practical. So initially, if you will choose, for K-12 graduates natin, if you will choose certificate or diploma programs at MITP, you will save a lot of money.